Harmony, what's your sexual fantasy?
I want to have sex in a public place.
In today's time, relationships have become complicated. Stress, trust issues, lack of time, emotional gaps. And to fill this very gap, AI companionship technology is emerging. Now robots are not being made just to work anymore. Now robots are being created to listen to humans, understand them, and give attention without judgment. And today we are going to talk about 3 such advanced and high-tech robots. So first of all, let's talk about Robotics Aria. This is a full-body AI companion robot that copies human expressions, emotions, and conversations. It gives realistic facial expressions and eye movements, and this robot does real-time conversations by observing your moods, and it also remembers things. In this, you can customize what kind of features you want: caring, calm, romantic, supportive, and the interesting thing is that you can also customize its body. So would you also like to experience such a robot? Do let us know in the comments. At number 2 is Harmony X. This AI robot is not just a body, it comes with an AI personality. Harmony can have conversations like real humans, and the special thing is that you can also select its personality, such as sweet, caring, bold, calm, romantic. It can maintain eye contact with its partner, gives realistic facial reactions, and its voice has emotions. The more you talk to it, the more it learns, and next time it gives you even stronger emotional responses and becomes more attached to you. These features make it special. And did you know that the human brain cannot clearly differentiate between real and artificial emotions if attention and validation are provided from time to time? At number 3 is the most popular and realistic AI robot, Emma. Emma's focus is to make sure the partner always receives communication and emotional response and never feels unhappy. The most special thing about it is that it is multilingual. It can speak both English and Chinese. It has touch and proximity sensors which make it feel even more realistic. Its behavior is different from other robots. It is calm and polite, and the more you talk to it, the more it understands you. Emma's concept is very simple. I will listen, I will understand, and I will never disappoint my partner. At number 4 is Roxy. Roxy was developed by a company called True Companion. It was first introduced to the public around 2010. At a time when AI was limited only to mobile apps and computers, they introduced a robot that could talk to you and understand your emotions. It was specially designed to address emotional and companionship needs. Today, customized versions are also available where you can customize its hair, skin tone, eye color, and body. The special thing is that its body has touch sensors, and whenever you touch it, it responds according to that feeling. It has been designed for conflict-free interaction. And ironically, in today's time, this has become rare in real relationships. And the biggest question is whether these robots will be able to change the role of real relationships in the future. And which of these robots would you like to experience in the future? Do tell us in the comments. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.